Hello and welcome to Red Dot Web Solutions. This is Raju Hudson, and today we're going to show you how to add a picture to your website. Now, the first things you want to make sure is that you have your picture already selected and saved in a location that is easy for you to find. You also want to make sure that the size of your picture is also relative to the size that you want it to display on the website. You don't want your picture to be too big because it will become too difficult for your users to browse through your website because they have to load that large image. Okay, so what we're going to do is on our very own personal website, Red Dot Web Solution, we want to add a additional picture. On our homepage, we have screenshots of different websites that we have built, and what we want to do is we want to add another picture to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to log into the administrative side of our website, and you'll have to do this too. And to access the admin side of your website, you go to www.yourdomainname.com/administrator. Right? So once you get to the administrative side of your website, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. You simply type your username and your password in, and then click login. In this case, our username, our password is automatically filled in because we had it pre-saved on the website. Now we go to Article Manager, and in our Article Manager, we're going to scroll to the article that is titled Welcome to Red Dot Web Solution. And we know it's this article we're looking for because on our home page, this is the name of the article that we have here. And so this is the same article that we want to add this picture to. So we go back to the admin side of our website and we click on the title. And what we're going to do is we're going to add this picture to the very bottom of the pictures that we already have here. So I'm going to click at the end of the last picture, all right, and I can see the cursor flashing, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter once. Then I'm going to insert a horizontal rule right here, and that's just going to be a separator that I'm using. And then I'm going to add the next picture right below this. So in order to add the picture, there are two ways you can do this, but I'm going to show you one way here, and it's by clicking on this image button right here. So you click on that button, and on this page, yours should look a little bit different from mine, especially right around this area. You're gonna click on Browse. You're gonna find the file you're looking for, and then you're gonna hit Open, and then Start Upload. All right. Now, when that image is completely uploaded, you're gonna notice that it shows up in your directory. All right. And here's the file that we're looking for. And this is the red dot. So we're going to click on that picture once, and we're going to hit insert. And there we go. The picture shows up into our editing area. All right. By scrolling up, what we notice is that this picture is much bigger than the other pictures that are there, and so we need to resize this. In order to do that, we could simply click on the image itself and continually move this slider downwards, and these numbers that you see are the actual pixel sizes. All right, and what we're doing is we're reducing this size by going down. The number gets smaller. All right, so that's one way of doing it. The other way of editing, which is much easier, is by clicking this little picture box right here, and you select the picture that you're trying to edit, sorry, and you click on that box. And here are your options. Right now you can see the location of that picture on our server. All right, we already have that filled in because we already uploaded it, and so and identified what picture we're using. So that's the file direction. Then we have our image description, and when you fill this in, what will happen is that when someone puts the cursor over the picture, it's going to give a small description of what that picture is about. All right, we're not doing any in this case. Alignment, we can decide whether we want this to be at the top or the bottom, the left or the right of your article. So if you're having an article that has a picture and text beside it, then you can choose where you want that to be laid out. And right now I'm just going to leave this at the default setting because I want it to be exactly where it is. And here are the dimensions of the actual picture that's there right now. And what I want is I want the width of this picture to be 450 pixels, and I want the height of it to be directly proportional to the width. So I'm just going to remove that number, and it's going to automatically reduce this inappropriate size. And for the border, what we will have here is 0. If you need a border outline, then you put 1, 2, 3, and the bigger the number goes, the thicker that border becomes. Next, we have a vertical space and a horizontal space. And what this is our vertical space will tell how far apart do you want your pictures to be separated from the text. So on your vertical sides, if you put a number, for example 5, this is going to represent 5 pixels. And what this is going to say is I want my picture to be and my text to be 5 pixels apart. And the same thing for the horizontal. I'm going to leave this as default and leave it blank, and I'm just going to hit update. So see right here, my picture gets resized and it's about the same size as the picture below that. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll up to the top and I'm going to hit save and close. And then I'm just going to go back and look on my website and see what happens. There we go. On our website, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, there we go, we should have that picture already inserted there. Alright, so this is the picture that we just inserted onto our website, and this is how you will add a picture to an article or to your website. Thank you for watching Red Dot Web Solutions. Again, my name is Raju Hudson, and you have a good day.